Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are starting our first exercise of the second chapter called parallel lines. So in parallel lines we have already proven some theorem of different angles, and on that basis we are going to complete our first exercise. Okay, so we are solving the first question of exercise 2.1. So the question first says, in a figure, line RP and MS are, and see, these are parallel. This is the symbol of parallel. So RP and MS, these are the line. So we have to write arrow here because these are the line. Okay, so they are parallel to each other, and DK line is transversal for both the line. Okay, DK is transversal. Then if they are transversal, then if DHP is equals to 85 degree, so this angle is of 85 degrees. So then we had to prove, we had to measure the angle of angle RHD, second angle PHG, third angle HGS, and angle MGK. We have to measure their value. Okay, so first we have to write given part. Given, what is given? Line RP is parallel to line MS. Okay, then again what is given? Line DK is transversal. Then what is given again? Angle DHP. DHP is equals to 85 degree. Okay, now to find, we have to write to find. What we have to find? The measure of angle first RHD, second angle PHG, third angle HGS, and fourth angle is MGK. Okay, so solve. So we have to write solution, and we are going to measure of the angle RHD first. So first, angle RHD equals to question mark. So we can write here then angle DHP is equals to angle DHR. Why they are equal? Because they are linear pair of angle. Hence they are not equal. Their sum is equals to 180 degree because they are supplementary angle. Okay, so we can write angle RHD plus angle DHP plus angle DHP equals to 180 degrees. They are the supplementary angle. Okay, so we have to write here they are supplementary, and supplementary angle कितने के होते हैं? 180 डिग्री के होंगे. So any linear pair of angles, they are supplementary to each other. They are supplementary, that means their measure of sum is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, see, angle RHD plus, see, DHP is given as DHP is of 85 degree. So we have to write 85 degree equals to 180 degree. Since we have to write the reason, since angle DHP DHP equals to 85 degree given. It is given. Therefore, we have to transfer this 80 degree to another side. Oh, it is 85, huh? It is 85. 85 to another side, and then we will subtract, then we will get the answer. So angle RHD equals to 180 degree minus 85 degree. So if we will subtract, so angle RHD equals to, if we will subtract, we will get 95 degree. So this is the measure of first angle, which is angle RHD. If you are not able to see, I am writing on just beside here, okay? Or angle RHD equals to 180 minus 85 is 95 degree, and this is our first answer. This is our first answer. Now next we have angle PHG. PHG equals to question mark. Which one? This one. PHG. So angle PHG is equals to angle DHR. DHR. Why they are equal? Because they are opposite angles. Okay. By opposite angle theorem. By opposite angle theorem. Therefore, see, the value of DHR is 95. Therefore, angle PHG equals to 95 degree. So we write, since angle DHR is also equals to 95 degree. अब वो 95 का है और तो ये भी 95 का, क्योंकि दोनों कैसे हैं, इक्वल है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन. The third one is angle HGS. Angle HGS equals to question mark. Which one? Angle HGS. So angle HGS equals to, see, this angle is equals to this angle. So we have to write angle RHG. So which test is going to apply on this part? So we have to write of alternate angle. So these two angles are alternate angle, and alternate angles are similar to each other. So you have to write by alternate angle theorem. Therefore angle HGS equals to RHG का मेजर कितना है ना, 85. 85 कैसे होगा, इसके अपोजिट में है ना, तो हो जाएगा 85. So we have to write 85 degree. HGS is also of 85 degree. So we have to write 85 degree. Since see, इसका भी मेजर कितना होगा, 85 का, क्योंकि 85 और ये RHG ये भी 85 का है. तो क्या हो जाएगा, since angle RHG is also of 85 degree. Okay, so this is our third answer. Now next part. Now we are solving the fourth one. The fourth angle is MGK. Angle MGK. Which one angle? MGK. See, just we have calculated this angle as 85 degree. So this will also of 85 degree because opposite angle theorem. So angle MGK is equals to angle, which angle? HGS. HGS by opposite angle. Opposite angle theorem. Therefore angle MGK equals to also 85 degree. So we write reason, because or we can write by since angle HGS is also of 85 degree. So here now we have calculated or measured all the angle given 4 angles. Okay, so we have to write result. रिजल्ट में हम क्या लिखेंगे, सबका मेजर एंगल. फर्स्ट वन इज एंगल RHD. एंगल RHD इक्वल्स टू 95 डिग्री. देन एंगल सेकेंड वन इज दिस वन, एंगल PHG equals to 95 degree. Then angle third one is HGS equals to 85 degree. And angle which one, this one, MGK equals to 85 degree. So this is our answer. Okay, so see, we have calculated all the question which are asked in this question. Okay, so first question में हमने 4 एंगल का मेजर कैलकुलेट किया है. Okay, so write down this part because it's very important. Now we are solving the second problem. Okay, so second problem says, in a figure line P line and Q line, see P and Q are parallel to each other, and line L and P and Q are parallel. P and Q are parallel, and L and M are the transversal line. And measure of some angles are given, that is of angle BDC and angle of CPL. We can say, okay, इनका मेजर दिया हुआ है, 2 एंगल के मेजर दिए हुए हैं. One is 110 and another one is 115. Hence find the measure of the angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. हमका इसका मेजर निकालना है. Okay, so see यहाँ पर एंगल को मेजर करना इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. सी यहाँ पर जो एंगल दिस वन 110, तो क्या हो जाएगा सी. अब ये पॉइंट P ले या P, ओके, सी पी बी वाला एंगल कितना है 110, यानी 110 का 110 का. ओके, तो डायरेक्टली वी आर राइटिंग सॉल्यूशन एंड इनटू फाइंड वे टू राइट दिस पार्ट. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्ट सॉल्यूशन. सी एंगल A प्लस 110 डिग्री. सी दिस वन, ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल कैसे, लीनियर पेयर के, और उनका मेजर कितना होता है 180 डिग्री. सो लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल आर supplementary. Supplementary means of 180 degree. Therefore, we have to write angle A equals to, we are transferring 110 to another side. So 180 minus 110. So जब हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, एंगल A इक्वल्स टू 0 में से 0 गए 0, 8 में से 1 गए 7 एंड 1 में से 1 गया 0. तो आंसर कितना जाएगा 70 डिग्री. ओके, तो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट आंसर. नाउ सेकेंड वन, एंगल बी. क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो एंगल बी प्लस एंगल बी मीन्स दिस वन. ओके, सी यहाँ पर एंगल ए और एंगल बी का जो मेजर आएगा वो कैसा आएगा, सेम आएगा. सो एंगल बी इक्वल्स टू एंगल ए. हाउ, बाय करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, for corresponding angles. Therefore, angle B equals to of 70 degree. Why 70? Because angle A is of 70. Since angle A equals to 70 degree. So this is our second answer. Second one. Now third one. Third one is angle C. Angle C की बात कर रहे हैं. So angle C equals to, एंगल C जो है वो एंगल 115 जो है उसका सेम होगा, इक्वल्स टू 115 बाय अगेन हियर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, corresponding angle. So therefore angle C equals to 115 degree. This is our third answer. Now fourth one, angle D. See, angle D, this one. So angle D plus 115 equals to 180 degree. The reason is the same, linear pair of angle. This, or we can say by which linear pair of angles. Therefore angle D equals to, we are transferring 115, so it will go in negative form of 115. Therefore angle D equals to, 0 में से 5 में जाते तो बना इसको 10, एक कैरी किया, 10 में से 5 गए 5, अब बच गया 7 में से 1 गया 6, 1 में से 1 गया 0. So 65 is the answer. Now we have to write result. Angle, the measure of angle A. The measure of angle A is 70 degree. Angle of measure B is 70 degree. Angle of C is 115 degree. And angle of D equals to 65 degree. So this is nothing but answer. Okay, this is the answer. So in this way you have solved few problems of your practice set 2.1. So next we have 3 more questions that we will cover in our next video lecture. So today's the second question, it is the second question. So first and second question we have already been discussed and solved. Now third question, just try it. If you can solve then it is good and enough, otherwise we will make the next video. Okay, so students आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.